Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious bacon and egg pie. First, gather all your ingredients, including your favorite pie pastry, about 200 grams of bacon and 6 large eggs. Begin by preparing your pie crust, pressing it into a 9-inch pie dish. Next, cook the bacon until it's perfectly crispy, then set it aside. Finally, whisk your eggs with 1/4 cup of cream, salt, and pepper. Now it's time to assemble your pie. Start by arranging the crispy, cooked bacon evenly across the bottom of your prepared pie crust. If you like, you can add other ingredients such as sautéed onions or fresh spinach for extra flavor and texture. Carefully pour the whisked egg and cream mixture over the bacon and any added vegetables, making sure the filling is distributed uniformly throughout the pie dish. This ensures every slice is equally delicious. To bake your pie to perfection, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pie on a baking sheet and bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the egg filling is completely set in the center and the top is beautifully golden brown. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. This helps the pie set properly. Your delicious bacon and egg pie is now ready to enjoy. Carefully slice it into individual portions, typically 6 to 8 slices, depending on your desired serving size. This versatile pie can be served warm straight from the oven or at room temperature, making it great for meal prep. For an extra touch, sprinkle some grated cheddar cheese or fresh chives over the top before serving. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.